Hello friends, welcome to Lamoksh Investments. This is Gaurav. Today we will take you to our newest blog which is called Creation, Preservation and Destruction. In Hindu religion, we have the Trinity of gods. Each one of them had their work cut out. Brahma is the creator, Vishnu is the preserver, and Shiva is the destroyer. While I was growing up, I often wondered, why is Shiva worshipped for being a destroyer? Destruction in our day-to-day dictionary is often equated to malice. Much later, I realized that the entire universe thrives only on destruction. Matter needs to be destroyed in order to recreate. Shiva, also known as Mahadev, took the onus of doing the most difficult task of destruction for the cyclical resurrection. Taking a slightly micro investment view of this analogy, there are crests and troughs in stock markets. The stock market cycles are ridden with creation, preservation, and destruction. Creation can be equated to rise, preservation with range, and destruction with fall. This is inevitable and true globally. Many people get the superhero feeling in the bull market. They feel that they have the wherewithal to deal with any crisis. The misplaced overconfidence is driven by screaming headlines about the exponential rise in prices. Even dirt appears diamond, and money making seems so easy. First time investors who have not seen a full cycle should be especially wary of such euphoria. But when the shit hits the fan, all hell breaks loose. Forget the first timers, even some of the smartest crumble under the pressure. Omnipresent experts on TV suddenly vanish. There is chaos and clutter all around, and dire predictions of impending doomsday float everywhere. An investor who is not afraid of the destruction peril, hyped pessimism and optimism, and one who can maintain his composure when these cycles play out is the true superhero. Remember, nothing in universe is permanent. Change is inevitable. Panic in stock markets will give way to calm eventually and vice versa. Just don't give in to hysteria. If you do, you are doomed as an investor. The important question is, how can one maintain this composure? Belief is perhaps the most underrated aspect of investing. Conviction in choices backed by reasonable amount of research is fundamental to investing. If an investor has this faith, then steep falls and rise present enviable opportunities. Panic gives way to composure. This belief should be coupled with a plan. I call it method in madness. When markets are tumbling, if you have excess cash, then break it into 3 to 4 buckets. Ignore the noises around and invest money from buckets in tranches, emptying them one by one at a certain fall frequency. This fall frequency can be devised by you, or you can consult a financial advisor. Another important point to keep in mind is to know whether you are an investor or a trader. Be clear in your mind what you wish to be and what you wish to achieve. Don't shuffle between the two based on the profit and losses in your portfolio. However, if you wish to be omnipotent as Shiva, then clearly demarcate the funds for each of these strategies. Make sure you do not mix the earmarked funds. If you're already fully invested, do not hesitate to reshuffle your portfolio. Come out of fundamentally weak stocks and add quality. Lots of investors don't want to sell the stock if it is in the red, no matter how poor it is in quality. This is cardinal sin. Don't get emotional about your stocks or let ego dictate your investments. Markets are slaves of earnings and will revert to mean at every opportunity. Distortions are transient. Keep an eye on long-term valuations. Don't fiddle unnecessarily. Equilibrium in universe is maintained by continuous battle between creation, preservation, and destruction. Investing equilibrium is achieved by acceptance of the market cycles. The key to success lies in following the method and not in being Mahadev yourself. Thank you. To read the full blog, you can visit the link given in the slide. Hope you enjoyed the blog. Thank you so much.